If you want to get best ice face rollers according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have Revlon Face Roller. The Revlon Face Roller is a popular beauty tool designed to massage and stimulate the skin, reducing the appearance of puffiness and fine lines. The roller is made of high-quality stainless steel, with 2 textured ends, one with larger massaging balls and one with smaller ones to target different areas of the face. Using the Revlon Face Roller is simple and easy. After cleansing your skin, apply a serum or moisturizer to help the roller glide smoothly over the skin. Then, use the larger massaging end to roll upwards and outwards across your cheeks, forehead, and chin, and use the smaller end to target more delicate areas like the under-eye area and around the lips. One of the standout features of the Revlon Face Roller is its cooling effect. When kept in the fridge or freezer, the roller becomes even more effective at reducing puffiness and soothing the skin. Additionally, the stainless steel material is easy to clean and sanitize, making it a hygienic option for regular use. Overall, the Revlon Face Roller is a great addition to any skincare routine. It's affordable, easy to use, and provides a host of benefits for the skin. Whether you're looking to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, or simply relax and de-stress, the Revlon Face Roller is definitely worth trying out. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Skin Gym IceCoolie Ice Face Roller. The Skin Gym IceCoolie Ice Face Roller is a popular beauty tool designed to improve skin texture and reduce puffiness. The roller is made of high-quality stainless steel, with a detachable silicone head filled with gel that can be frozen and used for a cooling effect on the skin. Using the Skin Gym IceCoolie Ice Face Roller is simple and straightforward. After cleansing your skin, place the detachable silicone head in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to chill. Then, attach it to the stainless steel handle and use the roller to massage your face in upward and outward motions. The cooling effect helps to reduce inflammation and puffiness, while also increasing blood circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. One of the standout features of the Skin Gym IceCoolie Ice Face Roller is its versatility. The detachable silicone head can be easily removed and replaced with other attachments, such as a facial cleanser brush or a body massager. This makes it a great all-in-one tool for a variety of skincare needs. Overall, the Skin Gym IceCoolie Ice Face Roller is a great investment for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. It's easy to use, versatile, and provides a host of benefits for the skin. Whether you're looking to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, or simply relax and de-stress, the Skin Gym IceCoolie Ice Face Roller is definitely worth trying out. The number 3 position is held by IMEASY Ice Roller. The IMEASY Ice Roller is a popular beauty tool designed to reduce puffiness and inflammation, as well as improve skin texture and promote relaxation. The roller is made of high-quality materials, with a stainless steel head and a plastic handle filled with gel that can be frozen for a cooling effect. Using the IMEASY Ice Roller is simple and straightforward. After cleansing your skin, place the roller in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to chill. Then, use the roller to massage your face in upward and outward motions. The cooling effect helps to reduce inflammation and puffiness, while also increasing blood circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. One of the standout features of the IMEASY Ice Roller is its portability. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to take with you on the go, so you can enjoy the benefits of a cooling massage wherever you are. Overall, the IMEASY Ice Roller is a great investment for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. It's affordable, easy to use, and provides a host of benefits for the skin. Whether you're looking to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, or simply relax and de-stress, the IMEASY Ice Roller is definitely worth trying out. The roller can also be used for other purposes like easing headache, calming sunburn, and reducing swelling caused by injuries. Next at number 4, we have Facial Ice Roller. A facial ice roller is a popular beauty tool designed to help reduce puffiness and inflammation, as well as improve skin texture and promote relaxation. The roller typically features a metal head that can be chilled in the freezer or kept in a cooler for a cooling effect, which is applied to the skin to massage and soothe the face. Using a facial ice roller is easy and can be incorporated into any skincare routine. After cleansing your skin, place the roller in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to chill. Then, use the roller to massage your face in upward and outward motions. The cooling effect helps to reduce inflammation and puffiness, while also increasing blood circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. One of the standout features of facial ice rollers is their versatility. They can be used in a variety of ways, including on the face, neck, and décolletage, as well as on other parts of the body that may benefit from a cooling massage. Some rollers also come with interchangeable heads, such as a derma roller or a jade roller, for added benefits. Overall, a facial ice roller is a great investment for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. It's affordable, easy to use, and provides a host of benefits for the skin. Whether you're looking to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, or simply relax and de-stress, a facial ice roller is definitely worth trying out. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by INOTKA Ice Face Roller. The INOTKA Ice Face Roller is a popular beauty tool designed to reduce puffiness and inflammation, as well as improve skin texture and promote relaxation. The roller is made of high-quality materials, with a stainless steel head and a plastic handle filled with gel that can be frozen for a cooling effect. Using the INOTKA Ice Face Roller is simple and straightforward. After cleansing your skin, place the roller in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to chill. Then, use the roller to massage your face in upward and outward motions. The cooling effect helps to reduce inflammation and puffiness, while also increasing blood circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. One of the standout features of the INOTKA Ice Face Roller is its durability. The stainless steel head is sturdy and well-made, and the plastic handle is comfortable to grip and hold. The roller also comes with a clear plastic storage case, making it easy to transport and store when not in use. Overall, the INOTKA Ice Face Roller is a great investment for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. It's affordable, easy to use, and provides a host of benefits for the skin. Whether you're looking to reduce puffiness, increase circulation, or simply relax and de-stress, the INOTKA Ice Face Roller is definitely worth trying out. The roller can also be used for other purposes like easing headache, calming sunburn, and reducing swelling caused by injuries. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.